Now we are going to make some gummy edible candies made from the trichomes sifted from our product. And this is step one. You want to get your product ready. And then we're going to move to step two. Okay, step two, I'm going to use a coffee bean grinder. And this works really well to break down the material. As you can see, all the trichomes just on the lid itself have been taken out of the bud so we can further sift it. Alright, so what I would do is I put the material in, and then you hit it a couple times. We have the honeybee sifting tray, and this is a miracle to have. I've tried to build my own. Don't even try it. Just buy this. As you see that I have all this material I've already shaken, and what it does is it will collect in the bottom tray. So we will have all the Kief and the material that we need for the candy gummies or any edibles that you would like to make. Okay, so then you can see that we have all of the trichomes only sifted, and it's through a 150 micron mesh shield. And this saves so much time because you have no plant material left in your Kief, and you don't want to eat the plant, you just want the medicine out of it. So this right here, I'm going to estimate at least 3 grams of Kief, and what we want to do is get about 6 for one batch, and I use Jello, and we will look at that in a second. Okay, so then we are going to take our Kief that we just scraped up, and I'm going to zero it out and see how much we got real quick. So I got 2 grams. I need 4 more. We'll pretend. And then I'm going to decarboxylate it in the oven at 220 for 30 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to decarboxylate the Kief, and we already put it in the oven in a little petri dish, and this is about 6-7 grams. And what we're going to do is put it on 220 for 30 minutes. And then we will mix the Jello with the Kief and pour the molds. Okay, so we have decarboxylated the Kief, and I mixed it with the Jello. And now what I have done is made it into a consistency of a thick, but not to a boil point on the stove. That's important because we don't want hard candy, and hard crack is about 350 Fahrenheit. And this you just want like a slow simmer. And then basically, to your judgment, if you look at the spatula, I mean, it just looks ready to be a gummy, right? So basically, you're done. What we want to do is just pour. And this will be set. It could be a little neater, but I'm going to bed soon. Right? So anyways, this will be done. You can let it sit for 5 minutes, or you can put it in the refrigerator, and then it should be done in about 20 minutes in the fridge and ready to go. Pop them out.
That's a wrap, baby.
That's a wrap, baby.